Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial of Python sets and dictionaries. So let's understand what is sets. So sets store unique unordered item. What does it mean? Means in sets we can only store some unique values, and these are some operations like add, remove, check, combine, which we can do in sets. So here is an example. Let's copy it and we'll run it to see live it in action. So first let me print only the set. So I will comment it. So I will write here print s. So here you can see. Let me run this again. So here you can see the set gets printed here. So this is how you can declare a set and get printed. And now let me add a element in it. So I have written here set.add 4. So 4 will get appended to the set. So the new value will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Also remember, here are two same values, but while printing the values, one value get erased and that value will becomes unique value. So that's the feature of set. So the next operation is s.remove. So s.remove will remove the element that is 2. So 2 get removed from that. So here you can see the output is 1 and 3 as 2 get removed. And the next operation is print 3 in s. So this will check that 3 is present in that set or not. So as you can see 3 is present, so the output will be true. So here you can see the output is true. Also let me change this. So I will write here 5. So this will check 5 is present in that set or not. So the output will be false as 5 is not present. So you can see here the output is false. So these are some basic operations which you can do on sets. So let's move to the next one. Okay, so next one is dictionaries. So these store key value pairs. You can add, update, remove, get, or loop through it. So these are some operations which you can do on dictionaries. So here is an example. Let me copy this. Okay. So this is the way to declare a dictionary into Python. You can write this like, so the value, these are the keys and these are the values. So A here is a key and 1 is a value. So these two key value pairs. So let me run this. So here are some operations like this will add a new variable named C in which 3 get stored, and this will print the value of A, and this will loop through the items from that dictionaries. So let me run this. Okay, so here are the outputs. So the first one is D A means the value of A. So as the value of A is 1, so 1 gets printed here. And the next one is D dot get X comma 0. So here you can see the 0 get printed. And the next one is So this is a loop which is used to print the all key value pairs from the dictionaries. So here you can see the value of A is 1, the value of B is 2, and the value of C is 3. So here you can see there is no C, but as we have declared it here, that's why it is getting printed here. Also, after this, the function name and del dv. So this will delete the value of B, and or can say the key value of B. So when I will print that D again, probably the D will get removed. So let me run this again. So here you can see the value of B is get removed. So this is used to remove the value from the key value from the dictionaries. So these are some basic operations on dictionaries. So let's move to the next one. So here is quick comparison between dictionaries and set. So this is the syntax of set, and this is how you can declare dictionaries in Python. So the set always contains unique value, and dictionary contains key only. And access, we can apply membership operations on it, or we can access it by key, and both are mutable. So this is the quick comparison. Okay, so here is two questions one on list and one on dictionary. So use a set to remove duplicates from a list. So I have already write this program in a tutorial. You can check that from the I tab maybe. So the next one is use a dictionary to count word frequency. So this is the program which you have to write, and let me know in the comment. And hope this video is helpful for you to understand set and dictionaries. Thanks for watching.